Hey guys, Aaron here. This is my 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and it's gonna get a little exhaust upgrade today. Quick overview of the exhaust on these. This is the big muffler. It's got two pipes running all the way down the length up to the front here. We got a connection right here, and the part we are going to replace is the mid pipe here. So from this connection through here, we're gonna delete this little muffler, if you know what I mean. And this is where it joins right here. So from here, it continues on up here, and there is the main cat that has the pre and post O2 sensors. So deleting this one won't have any effect for emissions sensing. Of course, this is only for track purposes or testing, which, you know, that's what I'm doing. And this is the beautiful piece of art from Seoul that I will be installing. There are two of them in here. It comes with new hardware, which I think I'm gonna need because it's super rusty. Oh, that's the kind of stuff that I'm about to try to get off. I got it on the lift last night, let it hit it with some PB Blaster, letting it soak overnight. So they each have a bracket that you have to disconnect. These two for this little slip joint thing, and then where it attaches to the front, there are three studs in here with nuts on the back side. So I think two of them are going to be pretty easy to reach. That one on the top, oh, that's going to be the fun one. On the driver's side, they all look pretty accessible. Got a lot more room over here. So we got a little game day going on in the background. It's gonna be an exciting Saturday morning. Gosh, doing exhaust is one of my least favorite things to do because just the hardware is always rusted and nasty, and I don't know, it's just never fun. The end result is great, so I'm gonna lower this real quick, I guess, and I'll start it up before I make any modifications so you can hear what it sounds like before, although if you're thinking about doing this yourself, you know what your car sounds like before. I will mention that I am now a dealer for Seoul, so that made my decision easy. And if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these for your Cayenne Turbo or any other product that SeoulPP.com sells, just reach out to me on either Facebook or Instagram and I can hook you guys up. I'll make sure that my subscribers always get the best deal out there and get it shipped straight to you. All right, I'm gonna go fire it up. A friendly reminder to you though, if you guys raise your vehicle and you have air suspension, make sure you disable it before you raise and lower it. If you don't know how to do that, the little selector in your center console, you just hold it up and you hold it for about 10 or 15 seconds and it'll tell you that it's inactive. It helps to bring your key with you. Super exciting. Now that I have some real tools, I'm going to start with the easiest ones first. This is just a 13 millimeter. Let's see what the impact gun does on it. Yes! Oh my God, if the rest of this goes this smoothly, I'll be so happy. Oh, this thing is awesome. So, oh man, off. Loose, slide over. Oh, exciting. All right, let me hit the other side. Okay, so this one separated the stud on the other side. Great. This one actually came off. So I guess 3 out of 4 working is not too bad. Yeah, so you can see this is flat on this side, nothing to hold on to. And now it just spins kind of freely. I guess what I'll do is take a big flat blade, put it in here, and try to put a little tension on the nut and get it off that way. And when I say big flat blade, I mean big. Let's see if this works. Aha, yes. I'm gonna start with the driver's side first because it looks to be the easiest side. Figure out what size these are. All right, these seem to be 12 millimeter. Feels like that just stripped though. All right, so instead of a multi-point socket, I'm gonna use just the normal 6-point, whatever that is. See if I can get a better bite. All right, it's working. It's not coming off yet, but it's not stripping. I got a tiny turn. Holy cow. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Gotta get a little pipe for an extension on here. There we go. Yeah, it's better. Slow and steady. Oops. All right, well, it is off at least. All right, 1 down, 5 to go. Gotta get on this guy. Just give me some more room. It might make sense to go ahead and remove this little plastic panel down here. Looks like it's probably just a few 10 millimeters around. There we go, better access now. Another 12 millimeter with a longer extension. And let's see, oh yeah. Let's try this. Ooh. 2. Let's see if this will reach here. So I've got this 12 millimeter socket that's a 1/4 inch drive that I know I can get up there. The only issue will be getting enough leverage. Yeah, that's a tough sell. All right, so I discovered that if I get an extension here, I can get my ratchet back there, and I got room to stick my hand in on this side, so let me try that. I think I've discovered what I need is a longer 3/8 inch ratchet. If I can get the 1/2 inch up there. All right, so I got a medium-sized 1/2 inch extension up there, my adjustable guy, and it just barely clears this piece. We're about to remove this with two 10 millimeters.
Yep. Easiest things to do.
Just to give us a little bit more.
Little. Oh, Jesus.
This is very bendy.
Yeah. I'm not sure what the purpose of it is. Oh, it's probably just to hold a
Plastic panel on the bottom.
yeah.
Oh, God. Just bend it enough and it'll come out.
Yep. I think this is just a support of the under tray, right?
Yep, I think so. All right, so now we got a little more room here. All right.
You need Florida shorts and Florida shirt, Florida temperature garage. What do you have? Oh, it's that same thing.
Yeah, the mini split. Heat and cool.
I need to get that.
All right.
That's
so
a little more comfortable, right?
one click at a time. Ooh, 2 clicks.
What?
Okay,
Is another thing?
13 millimeter.
Oh yeah, you can tell. It's about to come loose, baby.
That is super loose.
Good goose and a good
All right,
goose.
you got it.
I'm not gonna apply any pressure here. Is it okay? It's got to come out this way. Oh, that's like at least
Awesome.
pounds.
All right, so the kit did not come with new gaskets, and I didn't plan ahead, so in my typical fashion, I'm gonna reuse my gaskets. But to clean it up, what the hell? We have a vapor hunter.
Talk about, using a 100-pound hammer on a finishing nail. All right.
I think Conrad just wanted another
Oh,
reason
yeah.
to use the vapor hunter.
Hell yeah. All right, not much preparation, right? Is everything hooked up, ready to go?
Yep, all you do is pull a trigger for step on a pedal. Can't stand.
Oh man, this is so pleasurable. Woo!
Might be hard to flip it.
Oh. All right, the most challenging part of this. God damn it. The most difficult part was to flip it.
And that is after vapor hunting, brand new. All right, we got new hardware from Soul. I'm gonna use a washer here, and a little copper lock nut they give you with them. So I got one new piece there, reused gasket, and all right, get that started.
Okay, so this has some movement.
We slip this guy back over
Yeah.
here,
Ish.
and this one up
Tighten it
here.
up just a hair.
Does mean I have to reuse those crusty pieces. That's not good.
Were they
Should have
really
bought a
bad?
new one of these. 2 of them weren't, but this one actually spins now.
Vapor hung?
Yep. Oh wait, they all spin. Because I couldn't get this one to stop spinning.
Okay.
Oh, it locks itself in.
Yeah, it should have a square head.
Yeah, it does. I guess the head just popped out a little
Yep.
before.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we can. Ooh, oh, vapor hunting, of course. What am I thinking?
That's a great idea.
What am I
That's
thinking?
I'm so glad you thought about it.
Let's do a little 4 vapor honing shot and see what we come up with. All right, so this is after one quick little pass on one side. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh man, from having this be rusty and really difficult. Look at that. I'm gonna throw a little anti-seize on these guys for the next time. Okay, so anti-seize, tighten those back up super easy after clean ones. Buy new bolts if you don't have a vapor hunter. That is my advice to you. Coming up here, oh, so pretty. I did realize afterwards that I put the nuts on the opposite side of how they were for stock, but I think it's a lot easier to actually get to them and tighten them this way. So I decided to leave them, and it looks kind of cool. So there we go. All right, on the passenger side, other than rust, that is the only really difficult thing, that bolt on the very top to get to. So what we came up with is a 13 millimeter 1/2 inch socket with a 1/2 inch swivel, with a 1/2 inch extension, with another tiny 1/2 inch extension. And let me show you, so you can get this contraption right up into here. And with the help of a second person guiding it, you can line it up with the bolt. And with a third person, oh yeah, you get a couple of clicks and you can turn it down like this and get that thing off. All right, got that one off pretty easily. One tip, this actually comes with a sole exhaust. Set it up here when you're sliding your exhaust up there. Trust me, you won't scratch it up. All right, guys, we got that on. Of course, reinstalling these things much easier than taking them off. I haven't cleaned this one up yet, so gotta clean this one up. You get your beautiful Soul logos right here, and let's fire it up, see what it sounds like. Ho, 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 ho! All right, here's some video of us just driving around inside with the windows up. I really hear almost no difference, just a little bit deeper maybe, but not much at all to write home about. I got it in sport mode, but let me give it a little gas here. Good Lord, this thing is fast. Yeah, again, you don't really hear a whole lot, at least I don't. Let me shut up so you can listen. All right, let me put the windows down. Speeding up interior shot. Oh yeah, I can hear it inside. When you get on it, you can definitely hear it. Let me slow back down and do one with the windows down. Second gear. All right, guys, this thing really does sound good, and it's the perfect combination for me for being tame when I need it for long drives, but being a little bit rowdy and sounding good enough to let people know that it's a Porsche. So Soul has a video that has a lot better sound clips on these. I'll put a link to it in the description, maybe up here, if you want to go check it out. They have some exterior drive-by shots and kind of things like that of what the exhaust sounds like. They do a way better job capturing it than what I did. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was helpful. If you're installing this, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. Subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks.